Hi students, good morning to all. Dear students, in your 7th standard, today let us study about new chapter fractions and decimals. Decimals is the dear student. You know about fractions in your previous class. Only meaning of fractions. The fractions also denoted by fractions. A number is denoted by in the form of P by Q. A fraction is in the form of P by Q, and P and Q are belongs to integers. Then Q not equal to 0. Q not equal to 0 is called fractions. For example of fractions means, 1 by 2 is a fraction, 2 by 7 is a fraction, 3 by 4 is a one fraction, or otherwise 4 by 3 also one fraction, 1 integer 2 by 3 also one fraction. Dear student, listen here, these all our fractions are here. What's the meaning of fractions? So the meaning is in the form of P by Q, PQ belongs to integer and Q not equal to 0. Okay, 1 by 2 is a fraction. What is the meaning of 1 and what is the meaning of 2 is? 1 by 2 is fractions. 1 is numerator, 2 is denominator. 1 is numerator and 2 is denominator. What is the definition of numerator and denominator? Definition of numerator means only selected part. Selected part only. A denominator means the total parts. Total parts is called parts. That is denominator. Numerator and denominator is the. For example, this is 1 by 2 is a fraction. You can draw in the diagram also. You can take one diagram. This is whole thing is the in the given thing. Therefore, dividing these two parts, I can select only one part. Therefore, this area is what? This one is 1 by 2. 1 is numerator, 2 is denominator. 1 is I shaded part or shaded portion. Shaded portion is only one is the. That is total portion is only 2 portions is the ratio is or fraction is 1 by 2. This is first example. Second one is what? 2 by 7 is the 2 is numerator, 7 is denominator is the. You can draw a diagram of the 2 by 7. 2 by 7. Therefore, you can take 2 by 7. One rectangular figure is there. We can take total 7 sub boxes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Therefore, total 7 boxes are here. The ratio is or fraction is 2 by 7 is there. How many selected part? In the numerator 2 parts, the 2 parts is selected parts. You can take any 2 selected. I can select only 2 1. First one is selected or shaded and second one also shaded. Therefore, this diagram is indicated to, therefore ratio is or fraction is 2 by 7. 2 is selected, 7 is total part. This is fraction. The next 3 by 4 is the. How to diagram of the 3 by 4? Again you can take one circle or square, you can take any one. For example, you can take 4 equal parts. In the numerator 3 is the, denominator 4 is the. Therefore, 3 means that is selected parts. How many selected parts? 3 parts are here. 1 selected parts. How many selected parts? 3 selected parts. Total part is 1, 2, 3, 4. Total parts are here. Therefore, this fraction is 3 by 4 is there. 3 by 4 is there. But how to write the 4 by 3 in the number or in the diagram? Therefore, 4 by 3 is there. In the numerator is 4 is there. Denominator is only 3 is there. You can take 4 by 3. This fraction is you can simplification in the mixed fractions. Therefore, 3 1s are 3. Again, 1 by 3 is there. This simplest form is 1 integer 1 by 3 is there. 1 means whole number. whole number is that is 1 complete portion, and second one, this one is the okay. The selected part is 4 is the total part is only 3 is the, but whole thing is that is whole thing. 1 is whole number, that is whole thing is the. This is whole. This is value is what? Whole number 1 is the. This is 1 integer. In the second portion, therefore, there are 3 parts are here. 3 parts. In the 3, I can select only one part. This is only one part is that. This is only one part. Therefore, this is 1 by 3. This is only 1. How that is 1? There are 3 parts are here. 3 by 3 means that is only 1. Total part is 3. I select part is 3 is the 3 by 3 means only 1. In a 1 by 3 means that is 1 by portion. Therefore, 4 by 3 is 1 portion, 2, 3 and 4. Total portion is, selected portion is 4 is the denominator is 4, 3 is the, no problem. Got it? This like is that. And also the next one integer. In this one integer, 2 by 3, same as it is. Same as it is, 1 means the whole thing. The second also here. The total portion, 3 portions are here. 3 portions are here. The first one is all selected. All area is selected. 3 by 3. That is 3 by 3 is only 1. Next, in the selected 2 parts are here. 2 part is selected. 2 part is selected. Therefore, 2 by 3 is the. This is 1 integer. 2 by 3 is the. 1 integer. 2 by 3 is the. Dear students, first of all, you can clarify about your fraction. The meaning of fractions means a fraction is a number in the form of p by q, or otherwise in the form of denominator and numerator and denominator, and also pq belongs to integer, or pq belongs to whole number, or pq belongs to natural number. Got it? That is z number is that is understood. That is very important. All numbers are you can take in the fraction, that is integer. Pq belongs to integer, q not equal to 0 is the, therefore the given numbers are fractions. Okay, the next one is what? Types of fractions are here. Types of fractions. Types of fractions. You know to read the fractions. Listen here. For example, like fractions are here, unlike fractions are here, proper fractions, improper fractions, mixed fractions also here. In your basically there are 3 main standard forms are here. For example, 1 by 3, 2 by 4, 8 by 9, and also 8 by 5, 7 by 3, 8 by 5, 8 by 6, and 1 integer 2 by 3, 2 integer 1 by 7, and 8 integer 3 by 5. Okay, these all are fractions. You can divide it into 3 types. For example, first, these 3 are one type of fractions. Second, these 3 examples are second types of fractions. Also, again, these 3 are different things. These 3 fractions are different. These all are different. These all are also different. What are the difference between these 2 fractions? In the difference means first group is. In the first group, these 1, 2, 3 are fractions, but these are fractions have numerator is smaller than the denominator. Numerator is smaller than the denominator. Again, numerator is smaller than the denominator. But in this group, numerator is more than the denominator. Numerator is more than the denominator. Again, numerator is more than the denominator. And in the third group, some fractions are also here, some whole number also here. Whole number means 1, 2, 8 are whole number. Whole number including fractions are here. Okay, in your mathematics, the types of fractions means the first one is proper fraction. Proper fraction. Proper fractions. The definition of proper fraction means what? Definition of proper fraction. For example, these 3 are proper fraction. Second group is improper fractions. Third one is mixed fractions are here. Okay, the first one is proper fractions. The definition of proper fraction. Proper fractions means a fraction numerator is numerator is smaller than the denominator. Smaller than the denominator is called denominator. This is proper fractions. For example, 1 by 3, next 2 by 4, next 8 by 9, and etc. These are our proper fractions. Proper means a fraction's numerator is smaller than the denominator is called proper fractions. Next, second one is what? Second one is improper fractions. Improper fractions. What are the improper fractions? Improper are similarly they a fractions. In a fractions numerator is greater than the denominator. Fractions having numerator is greater than the denominator. This is your improper fractions. Second groups are these are improper fractions. Numerator is greater than the denominator. For examples are 8 by 5, 7 by 3, and 8 by 6, and etc. These are improper fractions. The last one is what? Mixed fraction is there. The last one is mixed fraction. Mixed fraction is the last one. Mixed fraction. The definition of mixed fractions means a fractions mixed with the whole number with proper fractions is called mixed fractions. A fraction mixed with whole numbers and proper fractions is called mixed fractions. For example, two integer 1 by 3, or otherwise one integer 7 by 10, or otherwise next you can take 3 integer 4 by 7, and etc. These all are mixed fractions are here. Mixed fractions. And also in your fractions, so many types are here. Unit fraction also here, and like fractions are also here. Like fractions means next one is what? Like fractions are here. Like fractions. There are in your fractions proper is most important. Second one is improper. Third one is mixed. These all are most important in your practice. The next one also here, like fractions. What are the like fractions? Like fractions means therefore these like fractions are here. Like means 1 by 7, 2 by 7, 8 by 3 by 7, 4 by 7, etc. The same denominator is called proper fractions. Sorry, like fractions. Same denominator. Next, unlike fractions are the denominator is changed. Denominator is changed is unlike fractions are. For example, unlike means the all denominator is changed. 1 by 7, 2 by 8, 3 by 7, etc. This is like unlike fractions are. The next one also here, that is unit fractions. Unit means what? The all denominator should be only 1. 1 by 8, 1 by 2, 1 by 10, 1 by 100, 1 by 1000, and etc. These Okay, dear students, in your fraction chapter, the types of fractions is most important. The basically most important types means proper, improper, mixed, like, unlike, unit or whole. Okay, these all are most important fractions. The next one also here, equivalent fractions are here. You can study about equivalent fractions. The next one is equivalent fractions. Next headline, equivalent. What is the meaning of equivalent? Equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions. What is the meaning of equivalence? For example, consider one example. Example number 1. Write 4 equivalent fractions of 3 by 4. The given fraction is 3 by 4 is there. You can write 4 equivalent fractions of this one. Solution. The given fraction is 3 by 4 is there. You can write 4 equivalent fractions. That is one simple method is very easy. In the numerator 3 is there, denominator 4 is there. In the numerator you can take the tables only, tables. Equal is there. 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9, 3 4 is 12, 3 5 is 15. Next, denominator is what? 4 is there. Again 4 tables. 4 under 4, 4 2 is 8, 4 3 is 12, 4 4 is 16, 4 5 is 20. Therefore, these are 4 equivalent fractions of the 3 by 4. 4 equivalent fractions of 3 by 4 is there. Got it? Equivalent fractions is like equivalent fractions are here. Okay? Okay, study in your next class. I shall continue your next class. You can study about in your homework equivalent fractions and types of fractions. I shall continue next class.